In the last Fartcoin price prediction, I gave you a few levels. One of the most important was the 8540 area, which we touched so many times on the chart. And I won't waste a second of your time, so grab your coffee and check what we'll talk about right now. Because as soon as this level stopped holding, we got destroyed. Shorts got destroyed and longs got destroyed right here. Obviously, my trades were a little bit sooner. We had really good shorts right here. We were looking for longs that are on the bigger dump. We didn't get that. But in general, I said we're gonna pump very soon. And we did pump. This is on the daily chart. So let's start with the daily chart because I know a lot of you are more interested in the longer term perspective that we have. So first of all, we're getting really good buying pressure right here, and the selling pressure is not that strong. So from just this technical standpoint, we're looking Gucci. The second thing we should know is that there's a few levels that we have broke. The first one is this one, and the second one is actually this one right here. So we broke these trend lines on the daily chart, which by the way are normally pretty strong. And we went ahead to curve upwards for a few nice moves, right, to the upside. By the way, nothing that I say is financial advice. The question is, what is going to happen now? So here are a few scenarios. First of all, we're in a right now, we just switched to an uptrend. We did switch to an uptrend. Money flow is definitely peaking. A lot of good things are happening. But I want to tell you about some bonuses that you can check out from BTCC right now. So right now on BTCC, they have a special partnership with JJ&J. Because the question is, where will you place all these trades? The Fartcoin trades, the SUI trades that I talked about, Pengu trades in the morning. I will personally do this on BTC because I'm switching from XC to other exchanges for security reasons. So BTCC are just a better exchange overall. From on-court to on-chain, celebrating JJ's partnership with BTCC, join the on-court action, compete for $500,000 prize pool, plus Jaren Jackson Sydney jersey. So if you're a fan, definitely worth checking out. The initial price pool is 2 grand, maximum is 400 grand. Right now there's 70 grand unlocked. $4 billion of futures trading volume. So this means there's a lot of money. There's a lot of liquidity on BTC. Liquidity stick, which is very good if you have bigger trades. So this guy, for example, has $109 million of futures revenue. So he has an estimated reward of $17,000, which is just insane. And this will unlock more and more stuff as more people participate. Futures trading volume price pool distribution rules. So check out the rules. So have all the links in the description down below. Definitely do check it out. So in terms of the higher time frames, we already know what's up. But the question is, what is going to happen with the liquidation? So we'll go to the liquidation heat map and we'll check out Fartcoin on Binance. We want to go to the weekly and outlook, and we can see that there's liquidations basically above these highs on the 30-minute, which is normal because a lot of shorts will place their shorts above these highs. And guess what this coincides to? Just an important area overall, the 84 area. So a lot of people are waiting for that to hit. So here's my prediction. I think we'll pump, and from there I'll take shorts basically. Or if we just pump above that, I can take longs on the retest as well. So this another option would be I just take longs on the retest, right? And then we pump even higher. So these are just different scenarios that I will be looking for within the next few days. Let me know your thoughts though. What do you think will happen? How do you want to play this? Especially right now, look at the beautiful trades. There's so many good trades right now, bro. There's just so many good trades. Also on meme coins, we're pretty good. We're at 275 grand on VOOX. If you want to follow the meme coin trades, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my Signal chat. I made everything as cheap as I can. We're not a big community. We're like 30 people. So you can ask questions. I'm there to answer as fast as I can. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.